The air is cooler and the leaves are changing, which are signs of the fall season. And you guys, there is one thing that I absolutely love during this time of year, and that is the aroma of baked goods filling my home. Thank you guys so much for joining me. What you just saw is a blueberry cornbread, and I promise you, it will definitely be a crowd pleaser. And it's low carb. So you guys, if you're interested in putting this together, then come in closer and let's bake together. Okay, we are going to start with our dry ingredients in this bowl. I've got my almond flour. To it, I'm going to add some salt, baking soda, and some xanthum gum. Mix these together until everything is evenly distributed and well incorporated. Okay, we're going to set this aside. And we are going to put together our wet ingredients. We're going to start with our eggs. Go ahead and give them a whisk. Break up this yolk. Okay, and to it, we are going to add some Greek yogurt. Avocado oil. And to get the corn flavor, we are using some amaretti sweet corn extract. Okay, and let's go ahead and mix all of these together until everything is well incorporated. All right, everyone, everything here is well combined. Let's bring back our dry ingredients. And we are going to mix the wet with the dry. All right, everyone, and we have our batter. So now at this point, all we need to do is to fold in these blueberries, and we're going to be ready to bake. Okay, that looks good. So now I'm going to bring over my baking container. I'm going to put this in and we're going to top it with a few more of these blueberries, and then you guys, this will be ready to bake. Okay, my baking dish has been sprayed with some nonstick cooking spray, and let's go ahead and get this batter into this dish. And you guys, the oven has already been preheated to 375 degrees. Okay, let's spread this out until it's nice and even. All right, you guys, so now at this point, we're going to add some more blueberries to the top. Gently press them in. And this is now ready for the oven. And this is going to bake for approximately 45 to 50 minutes. I'll see you soon. Okay, everyone, hot out of the oven. Look at this. We're just gonna put it on this rack so that it can cool. And then you guys, we are going to cut into it and we are going to give it a taste. Okay, everyone, this is now cool enough to cut into it. It looks amazing. Take a look at that. And here we have it, a blueberry cornbread. Okay, everyone, it is time to give this a taste. Lord, I thank you. You guys, this is a delicious blueberry cornbread. Oh my gosh. The combination of the blueberries and the flavor of that corn coming through, although it's low carb, absolutely delicious. You have got to give this a try. The only thing that I would suggest trying, I have not yet tried it myself, but I will, the blueberries sunk to the bottom. Now, it's my understanding that in traditional recipes, if you take some flour and you coat the blueberries in flour before you put it in the batter, that will prevent them from floating to the bottom. Haven't yet tried that with almond flour, but I definitely will next time. And if I do, you guys, I will definitely leave that in the description so you will know for yourselves in the future. But other than that, absolutely phenomenal is this. Give it a try. And when you do, please do leave it in the comments that you have and let everybody know just how delicious this low-carb blueberry cornbread is. And remember, you guys, to subscribe to my channel and please give this video a like and a share. Thank you guys so much. Welcome to fall. And remember to make it your own kind of special with delicious recipes such as this. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit 550. Enjoy.